Hello, and welcome to the SimpleFX video tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to get a referral link to run an affiliate campaign with up to 50% revenue share. First, go to the More section and tap on Refer Friends. Now you can easily copy and share your individual referral link. If you want to visit a more advanced affiliate panel, select Affiliate Dashboard. You'll be directed to our trusted third-party partner, Unilink. Now you know how to get your SimpleFX referral link. Watch more tutorials for an in-depth look at trading features. Have a good day and a good trade.